So what is up guys, and welcome back to another road trip series, and this time it's coffee bean and tea leaf time naman. This area is super spacious, and one thing that caught my eye is this rounded table or rounded couch area na perfect para sa mga tropa, family, and syempre sa ating mga jowa. And as usual, the design is always plantita and plantito vibe. The ground floor is spacious and centralized, while dito naman sa second floor it is al fresco. So yan, kung gusto nyo tumambay sa mahangin and kita yung magandang view, lalo na yung mga motor nating dala, yan, pwede tayo dito tumambay. So the second floor can cater couples and as well as yung large group of friends and families dahil madami ditong couch din sa taas. So this particular branch has its own designated location, perfect for meeting friends and family. And it is located here in Nuvali, just across the Uniqlo Nuvali roadside store, and beside siya ng McDonald's. Kung makikita nyo yan, ayun dun lang guys. If you're going to Tagaytay or you came from Tagaytay, this is a perfect stopover for a coffee and of course snacks. So yun nga guys, till next time.